Scott, well done after the summer break. How was that to get back into business?
Yeah, it was good to get back into the games again. We've had a good break. The players were, I thought, a little bit jaded towards the end. Our last game against Aberdeen, we played really well, but just prior to that, I thought that we were tired with a few injuries, so the break's been good. We've managed to bring in a couple of players, and they've gone about the transition really, really well. We've trained well, and I think that you could see that today in the way that we played.
Yeah, you mentioned a couple of players brought in, particularly Hayley Rosen involved, a couple of assists there. She had a good game, but both had a good game.
Yeah, I thought they both were excellent today, I really do. And I mean, Kiva came in for the Aberdeen game for us, right out of the blue, looked very comfortable, and she deserved to get the option to join Glasgow City, and we're delighted to have her. Hayley Rosen, she's had a tough week. She's just come in and she's trained the week, and it's again a big transition for her, but she was excellent today. She's got so much energy, she's got real quality, she's got a presence. So I thought she did very, very well. But as a team, I thought we were excellent. We worked hard, we created lots and lots of chances. We could have taken a few more, but generally I thought the performance was very good.
You touched on obviously the break we've just had. Is it as bad as obviously starting the season, or is it effectively starting another new season with this 5-week gap?
It's not really, no. It's not quite as difficult as, you know, after the end of the season and that kind of length of a layoff. And you don't have to do a full pre-season. You're just doing a couple of weeks of slightly harder work. But they, to be fair to the girls, they keep themselves fit, and you know those 2 or 3 weeks are not going to be detrimental towards them. It's good that they get the rest, and I think they've done that. I felt that we had energy today, which was good.
And ahead, obviously, a long run of games this month, the Cup to come, Hibs in a couple of weeks, so you have to be on the ball.
Yeah, you have to kind of, you know, hit the ground running, as they say, and I think we did that today. We just need to continue it now. We know we've got tough games ahead. I don't really think there's very many so-called easy games anymore, which is a good thing for Scottish women's football, and it keeps it competitive, and our girls are up for the task to make sure that we continue to win as many games as we can.